Robinhood investing is by far my favorite mobile application to be investing with. And in this video here today, I'm going to be talking about 3 tips when investing using the Robinhood app. Let's get right to the video. If you guys are new to the channel, you haven't been here before, and you don't really know what it's about, I talk about all things investing with my tips, tricks, and insight into the stock market. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you jump down, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you can be alerted when new content comes out. I've been posting a ton of different content that you're definitely not going to want to miss. So like I said, in this video here today, we're going to be covering 3 essential tips that I think you should be aware of when you are investing using the Robinhood app. And to do that, I'm actually going to jump right into the Robinhood app. So it should be displaying on the screen right now. And here is the home screen of Robinhood. So the first thing that I'm going to cover as I scroll down and click into a stock, you can see I'm in Coca-Cola here. The first thing that I want to cover and the first tip that I have for you guys is that a lot of times the information that's being displayed on Robinhood is inaccurate, it's incorrect, and it just isn't updated. So this happens more times than not. So when you do your research into the stocks, take Robinhood's information that they display for you with a grain of salt. It might not be as accurate as possible. So for example, you can see that if I scroll down in Coca-Cola, you get all the stats right here within the app. Now I'm honing in on the dividend yield here, and you can see within Robinhood, it displays the dividend yield as 3.29. Now if I head over to the computer and I go to dividend.com, then you can see on this website, it's actually displayed at 3.02%. So that is one way that Robinhood might be inaccurate. And another website you can use for this is Yahoo Finance. So this is what the outlook is here for Yahoo Finance. And you can see once again, if you look for the dividend yield, which is right here, it is 3.02%. So definitely when you're doing research in stocks, you're not going to want to use just Robinhood's information. You're going to want to verify it elsewhere. And this happens more frequently than you might think. So you definitely want to stay on your toes. And like I said, take that information with a grain of salt. Now, the second thing that I wanted to get into here using the Robinhood app is when you buy and sell stocks, you don't want to just click buy or sell. You actually want to go into buy it, right? If I wanted Coca-Cola and there's an order types in the top right. So if I were to just buy this stock here, it says that the market price is $53.03. So I might buy 1 share of that. But in that time, the price might fluctuate. Let's say for some wild reason, Coca-Cola jumps from $53.03 to somewhere around $56 for a share. Basically, what happens is, because of that weird fluctuation, I would be buying it at the market value of $56, even if it immediately returns down to $53.03. So whenever I buy a stock, I click on the top right, click on order types, and do a limit order. What the limit order does is says that if you put a specific price in, you're not going to buy it for anything above that price. So if I put in $53.02, I'm going to be buying this stock guaranteed at $53.02 or lower, so long as the stock is around that price and it's within reason. So sometimes you might be able to get a significant discount as to where you are willing to pay, because at the time it might be at one price and then it might drop real quick, so you're able to recognize that. Now, likewise, if I were to sell, you have the same issue here. So if I do a market sell, I want to recognize as much gains as I possibly can on the stock. So if I wanted to sell for $53.03, if I did it here and just clicked review and sell, it's going to sell for the market price again. So you might not actually get $53.03. You might get something less than that. So to combat that, all you need to do is click that top right into order types, do another limit order, and then you select the exact price you want to sell it for. So here would be 53.02, for example. So definitely keep in mind when you're looking to buy and sell stocks, you don't simply just want to, throw your money into it and just do a market buy, because you could get screwed over with this, and it's quite easy to get screwed over by it, especially if you have a small investment portfolio like myself, where every single dollar, every single cent that I'm putting into this portfolio really does matter. And speaking of that, if you guys didn't know, on this channel here, I do something called the Robinhood Challenge. And with the Robinhood Challenge, what I've been doing is investing $100 each week incrementally and just trying to build my portfolio as big as I possibly can. Now, what I'm doing is buying dividend stocks and growth stocks that are paying me a dividend over the long haul. And what I want to do with this is just create a form of passive income that's going to be there and be stable for a long time. So the third and final tip that I have for you guys when it comes to Robinhood investing using the Robinhood app is just be patient, okay? So when you put money into the app, it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to use it right away. Now, I'm in the mindset where if money is sitting there, I get a little antsy because I know I can be getting returns on it if I make the right investment decision. And that's key, is making the right investment decision. And that doesn't always mean that when you throw money into the app, you immediately have to invest it. It means that you need to take the time, slow down, take the step back to try and formulate a strategy, find a stock that you feel comfortable buying into, and don't just throw your money blindly into these companies. Really make sure that you're patient with your money. It's okay if it sits there. You can see in my account right now, my buying power is $30.12. Now, there's nothing that I really wanted to buy with that $30, so what I'm going to do is actually next week when I get my additional $100, I'll then have $130 to buy into the stock market. And that's going to be a little bit easier even when we get something like the Robinhood Cash Management account. If you didn't really know about the Robinhood Cash Management, basically you're going to get 1.8% return on any money that is not invested in the Robinhood app that's just sitting in your account. So that's going to make it a little bit easier to be patient with your investments. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure that you like it. It really helps out with that YouTube algorithm. And then if you want to check out more videos, I would highly suggest checking out this Robinhood beginner tutorial here. So I'm going to display that one on the screen, and if you have any interest, make sure you head over to that video and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking out this video here today, guys, and have a great day.